Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Dolby Atmos support in the Mi Note 10 Lite, whether the phone supports or not. So if it doesn't support, what are the alternative sound options? So if you want to know what live wallpaper I'm using, so don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist of wallpapers. So there you can find plenty of wallpapers. So even for other videos on the mobile phones, on all other phones, you can find the playlist for the links in description for each and every category, even for PUBG battle and test and plenty of other videos. And for camera samples, you can follow me in the Instagram, and for APKs for the live wallpapers, follow the Telegram group. So there you can find everything. And let's get started with the sound. Dolby Atmos support in the Mi Note 10 Lite or not. So right now I got the headset from the Soundcore, so which is a pretty good headset, which is a Bluetooth headset, and even it has got the aux cable as well. So definitely I'll be trying the both options, and I'll be mentioning you what option is best and what works. So let's get started. So let me show you in the settings option. So usually in the settings in the sound and vibration, so when you scroll down to last, you will find the option for the Dolby Atmos. And as you can see here, there is no option for the Dolby Atmos in Mi Note 10 Lite, unfortunately. So there is only an option for the Wi-Fi audio, so which you cannot enable if you are connected to the Bluetooth headphones. So that is another drawback. As you can see, you cannot use any equalizer if you're connecting the Bluetooth headphones. But once if you plug in the normal 3.5 mm jack, then definitely you will be able to use the all other options, as you can see right now. So immediately it got options got enabled, so Wi-Fi audio and the Mi sound enhancer, as you can see, so which is a very good option. But overall the sound quality is also pretty good. So overall the sound quality in the Mi Note 10 Lite is very good, so there is no problem at all. In terms of the specifications of the sound, you can see here, so 24 bit 190 Hz audio. So in terms of Mi Note 10 Lite specifications regarding the audio, 24 bit supported. So definitely the audio is pretty good, so it doesn't feel like a low-end mobile phone. So I can you definitely feel the difference while you using this kind of headphones. So very soon I'll be even updating in future as well, after using for long term, maybe after 2 weeks or 3 weeks and 1 month. So if you want to know full details, do subscribe to my channel. So very soon I'll be posting plenty of videos, and before it get launched in India, you can decide whether to buy the phone or not. Even there is a Redmi Note 9 as well here, so even you can get to know more about the Redmi Note 9 and both phones. So that's it for this video. For more videos, do subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.